What's up, our Promo?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! It is the first, first service, guys?
Yeah.
The first service of Primal Youth in 2009. We kickstarted it with an awesome few testimonies. This is what's going to happen next week.
Next week we've got my awesome sister Katrina. She's preaching. She's talking about Primal. She's talking about you guys. She's talking about God. So bring your Bible, your notebook, your pen, and your friends.
And your friends, that's right. Also, Thursday night, then Sunday, we have the AM service at 10 AM as usual, but special. This is special. You want to come along to the 6 PM service. We're relaunching 6 PM services. It's going to be awesome.
Pastor Charlie preaching.
I'm preaching. It's going to be great. So bring your friends. It's going to be life-changing, life-impacting. See you there, man.